guys, welcome back, and for those that are new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. As you can see in the title, this is my 2-week check-in. This is me, 2 weeks eating consistent. I mean, I am eating consistent, but I mean eating clean and being consistent with my workouts. I am truly so happy. Like, I feel like amazing. You know, I was wearing my Fashion Nova jeans and like it looked like I had like a fupa like underneath, you know, the bottom of my belly every time I wore my jeans, and that's all I own was Fashion Nova jeans because I got rid of all my clothes when I lost the weight before. So I was like really embarrassed. I would always wear long shirts just because I was embarrassed on how the front looked. I mean, the back, you know, the Fashion Nova jeans, they make your butt look good, but the front was just not it. And now just 2 weeks later, like my belly fat has shrunk. I'm sure I'm gonna put it as the thumbnail, but like I am gonna show you guys right now my before and after. Well, not right now, but I am gonna do some clips here and there. It's so amazing and I feel so good, and I really hope this motivates you guys to, you know, start now. Stop making excuses. Stop waiting for Monday. If you really want to do this, do it right now and do it for good. Like, don't just do it for a week or two. Like, keep going. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already to go through this amazing journey with me. So I guess no more blabbering and let's get into it. Okay, so now I'm assuming everyone that's watching this video has seen my part 1 of my weight loss journey, the, you know, falling out of love with myself. And if you haven't, I'll put the little link up here. I don't know which way it is. I believe it's here. So go check that out right now. That is right before I started my fitness journey. Well, not before. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I did that video, then I did the measurements, then I did my home gym. So I didn't officially start my like eating clean and working out until December 12th. And this video I'm about to show you, this is exactly on December 12th. This was the day that I said I am gonna do it, I am gonna be consistent, and nothing's gonna stop me. And since then, I have been just going, doing workouts, meal prepping. I showed you guys everything that I ate. Everything in that meal prep video, which I will also put in the link above, is everything that I've been eating, and that's all that I've been eating. Workouts I will be sharing here and there. I haven't really done too many workout videos just because with the holidays, it's been crazy. But I will get that to you ASAP. And I just want to show you now, I am so embarrassed that I got to this point, but I'm glad that I can look at it and be like, wow, this is where I started and this is not where I ever want to be. So I am just gonna keep being motivated and keep going. So drum roll, this is whatever that was. This is me at 157 2 weeks ago. So you can tell I carry a lot of my fat in my belly and also on my back. So every time I gain weight, it's always in my belly area. I have skinny arms, skinny legs, but just my belly is just what holds it all. So that's my front view. So that was really hard for me to show. Like, I was gonna actually put that in a video before this, but then I was like, no, I'm not ready. Like, I don't want to show them how I look now. Like, I don't know. I just was kind of embarrassed. But that was back then. I'm not like that now. So I'm just gonna let you guys know though, like, it's hard. It's hard to go back and stay motivated and stay consistent. Like, I get it. You should have seen me, like, for those that know me, you know, I did this whole Sweat by Steph brand. I was working out all the time, loved to work out. It was like part of my life. And to completely stop and not do it and fall off, going back into it was the hardest. So I do want to just show you guys, like, even squatting. And for those that know me know, like, I would always be in the gym squatting. Like, that was my thing. Like, the first day I squatted, in the first time in months, I don't know how many months, but I couldn't even squat. And like, I usually always do a warm-up set with just the bar, no weight. So, you know, for those that know, I did the home gym. If you want to check that out, look at the link up above. This was me trying to squat and I couldn't even get down. Like my knees were hurting, my back was hurting. I even used that foam thing, which I only use for hip thrusts, but I used it because I didn't want the bar to hurt my neck. Like I am telling you, I realized like, wow, like I am completely out of shape, you know? And in that moment, and I'm kind of like relieved that I did have that like switch, because in that moment I was like, yeah, like how am I going from working out, squatting so much weight, being healthy, being motivated, to this? So every day I was squatting, and now my warm-up sets are super easy. Like I can crush them out with no problem, and this is just 2 weeks in, literally 14 days. Like that's all it took me to get on the train and keep it going. And every day, literally every day for these 2 weeks, I have been doing ab workouts nonstop. And also eating clean. Like abs are not made in the gym, they are made in the kitchen. So eating clean, eating my meals have helped me 100%. That's why I did lose a lot of belly fat, which I'm super excited about. If you see here, I would do crunches, Russian twists, toe touches, just pretty much all ab workouts. I have videos that you can look through at home ab workouts. I do them with just my body weight. I don't even use any equipment. I just go on the floor and get it done. I do abs every day. Literally, it's amazing. And what I've also been doing, and I don't know if it really helps, but I feel like it's strengthening. I don't know how to talk. My core, but I do this thing, it's called the vacuum. A lot of the bodybuilders do it, and I can't do it like a bodybuilder. Like some of these are like, they suck all the way in. Like, I got some fat in there. I can't be sucking all that in, you know? So like every morning while I'm brushing my teeth, I like take a second and I just hold it in and really squeeze. Let me like really squeeze over here for 30 seconds, and then I let it go. And then I squeeze again. And then I let it go. And then I do it again. But I do it for longer. I'm just not gonna do it now because my abs are killing me. I just did a whole nother workout. You can work out your abs every day. You know, some like body parts you don't wanna do every day because you want the muscles to repair. With your belly, girl, you could just keep it up and bing, it can happen. I lost 9 pounds in the 2 weeks. And also, I am not gonna be showing you guys my measurements just because Nick wants me to do 4 full weeks of being consistent and eating to do it. He said that's when I will really see the difference. But I had to see if I was, you know, letting go of the inches because I'm like feeling good. So I did measure my waist, and I am down 3 inches on my waist from 2 weeks ago. Like, what? Like, that's so crazy. So here it is, my 2 weeks difference, and I'm gonna put both of them side to side so you can see. So here it is. This is exactly how I look. This is my front. I even like pulled down my pants a little bit so you guys can see, like, you know, because it's a different type of shorts. I don't want you guys to be like, oh, she has different shorts, she's hiding her belly. Like, I'm not hiding anything. So that is exactly how I look. I know it probably doesn't seem like a big change, but like for me, it is, just because like where I was only 14 days ago, 2 weeks ago, is insane to me. So imagine like 2 more weeks from now. Like, I just can't wait. If you guys are 100% doing this or thinking about doing this or not knowing if you want to do this, like, just do it. You know, get up, do your workouts. You can find workouts anywhere. It's free. Go on YouTube, go on Instagram. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I just want to let you guys know, Happy New Year. Crush these goals. Believe in yourself. Never think you're not enough. Just get up, get it done. I believe in you, and I know you can do it. So let's do this together. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.